Hello, good mornings to all. Now, today's topic is common ammeter configuration of BJT. Now, here this is a NPN transistor. We have three terminal base, ammeter, and collector, and we are giving input at base and taking output at collector. So, ammeter is common for input and output. Now, this is a biasing battery VEE, and this is a biasing battery VCC, and here is a resistor RC, that is collector resistor. It is used to control the collector current. We can also put RV resistor here. Now we discuss what is the characteristics of common ammeter configuration. First thing is a current gain. In common ammeter configuration, current gain is denoted by beta, and beta is output current, that is output current is IC divided by input current is IB. Then because IC is very much greater than IB, the beta value is again very much higher than 1. Generally the value of beta vary between 50 to 400. The value of beta is vary between 50 to 400. Now, this is a simple advantage of common ammeter over common base. In common base, current gain alpha, that is less than 1, and it is a beta which is greater than 1. It is between 50 to 400. Now we discuss about input curve, input characteristics of common ammeter amplifier. Input means what is its input behavior. Now the input of this BJT is this. Here is input. It is a voltage between base and ammeter. This is VE. It is a voltage between base and ammeter. It is the input voltage, and input current is IB. So when we have to draw a plot between base to ammeter voltage and input current IB, this is known as input current. But the input current will also depend upon the output voltage. What is the output voltage? Output voltage is a voltage between collector and ammeter, that is VCE. Means we have to changing this value of input voltage and measure the value of IB and taking this value as a constant. If this value will be changed, then IB will also change. Now we have to make a plot. This is voltage VE and current is IB. Now we can write here, because input is between base and base ammeter PN junction is working as a forward wise. So it is just simply working as a forward wise diode. In forward wise diodes, the characteristics is like this. As we know, the forward wise diode is having a relation between voltage and current is similar to this. So this is input curve, means it is BE versus IB for constant value of VC. Now if VC will be changed, so what will be the effect? We can write here what is VC. We can write here VC is equal to VCB minus BE. We can write here VC equal to VCB minus BE. Again, this value is almost constant for BJT and approximate 0.7, and almost constant. Means if we increase VCB, if we are increasing VCE, so what is increasing? We are increasing VCB. So we can use early effect here. So when VC increase, we know that current IB will be decreased, current IE will increase, and current IC will again increase. We can discuss later about early effect. So this is known as early effect. So due to early effect, when VC increase means VCB increase. VCB increase means IE will also increase. So here IB will decrease. So I will be decreased, so means we have to plot the curve. If it is for VCE is equal to 1 volt, so for VCE equal to 10 volt, when we are increasing VC will increase, BCB will increase, and IB will be reduced down. So now curve is like this. This is the input curve of common ammeter amplifier. Now next is the output curve, or we can say output characteristics of common ammeter. So now what is output curve? So here output voltage is VCE and output current is IC. So it is a relation between VCE and IC, and the value of IB will be constant. Means we have to plot a curve between VCE versus IC for constant value of IB. Or we can say we have to plot, it is a curve between VCE and IC for different value of IB. Here is VCE, here is IC. It is a curve between VCE versus IC for constant value of IB. IB is constant. Now again here is, if IB is a 0, so first we plot this curve for IB. When what is happen when base current is a 0? When IB is a 0, 0 means input is open. जब input open होगा तभी IB 0 होगा. When IB is a 0, then there is a current flow, and this current is known as ICEO. This is current similar to ICO, but there is a difference. And this is a leakage current due to minority area. So what is ICO? It is collector to emitter current when base is open. So when IB is a 0, a small current flow. So we make a plot here. When IB is a 0, a small current, and this current is equal to ICEO will be. Then we have to make a diagram for different value of IB. IB is equal to 10 microampere. IB is equal to 20 microampere. This is for IB is equal to 30 microampere, because the unit of IB generally we are using in a microampere. It is very small current, IC in milliampere, IE in milliampere, but IB in a microampere. Here is IB for IB is equal to 40 ampere. So now a curve, this current is approximate horizontal, but there is slight variation in curve. Why there is slight variation? Slight variation is because when we increase VC, which further increase VCB, which further decrease IB, increase IC, and increase IE. This is the early effect. So when VC increase means we are increasing VCB, VCB increase means IC increase. So what we are saying, when VC increase in this directions, the value of IC increase, and this increase very slightly. We can say almost constant, but this is increasing a little bit. So this is curve is known as output characteristics. Is it clear? So before this, we can say transistor is working in saturation region, and for IB is equal to less than, below this, transistor is working in a cutoff region, and all other regions are active regions. So one transistor must work only in active regions. So this is known as output characteristics of common emitter transistors. That is most important one. General exam में यही क्वेश्चन आता है, ये आने के chances is much higher than. So we can write here that transistor is working in 3 modes: saturation, active and cutoff, as it is given in the notes. We can write out. So when IB is 0, a small current ICU, the saturation is on with this and this. So what is the equation for current here? So IC, what is IC? Output current is IC major T plus IC minor T. So IC major T is a beta IB. As this is just this, the equation is this is a beta. So what is IC? IC is equal to beta IB. So this is current flow due to current IB. But there is some leakage current, a minority carrier, and this current is here ICE. So total current is this plus this. It is very small current in microampere. We can also ignore it. It is dependent upon the temperature, but it's play a major role in designing any electronic circuit. Thank you very much.